subscribe our channel Good to Great. To subscribe to our channel, click here and also click on this button to get notification. Hello friends, today in this video we will learn about HTML, the basic commands of HTML, the basic tags of HTML, okay, the basic concepts of HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, okay. Remember, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So at first, go to a folder, okay. I have already created a folder, okay. In your drive, C drive, B drive, any drive, go to a place and create a folder. Inside that folder, create a HTML file, okay, using your text editor. In market there are different types of text editor. One is Notepad, another is Sublime text editor, Notepad++, and we can also use NetBeans, okay. So I will use Sublime text editor. It is how it looks like. Okay, I will open a new file. Then I will save the file. To my destination. Here is my destination. Okay, I am giving it a name demo.html. Okay, the extension should be HTML. Sometimes people use HTML, but HTML is recommended. Okay, now at first type HTML. Here there is a field called doc type HTML. This defines this document type is HTML, and this is the starting tag, the start tag. This is known as the start tag. I am commenting it out. This is how we comment in HTML, but in other languages like C, C++, and Java, they are different. Okay, this is called start tag, and that same tag having a slash, okay, these are known as end tag. I have to comment out this also. Okay, now this is the head portion, okay, up to this, and this is the body portion, okay, up to this. In the head tag we have a title tag. Let me write something inside the title tag, then I will show you practically how title tag works, okay. Let me write first web page, okay, and I am now saving the file and going to the destination and opening the file. Look, how does it work? This is showing my first web page. Oh, that means what we write in the title tag inside the head tag, it is shown in the tab title. Okay, and this portion is known as the body portion. What we will write in the body portion, it will be displayed in that part in our web browser. Okay, at first we have to know what is heading tag and how we have to write that tag. So H tag is used for heading tag. There are 6 types of heading tag. It is used for giving any heading to the content. So there are 6 types of heading tag. At first there is a H1 tag. Let me write here, I am heading 1. Okay, now I am copying this file. Okay, let me write again manually. Now H2 tag, I am heading 2. Okay, H3 tag, I am heading 3. Okay, H4 tag, I am heading 4. Okay, now H5 tag, I am heading 5. These tags are not case sensitive. Okay, remember that. I am heading 6. Fine. Now I am saving the file and I am refreshing the page. Look how does it looks like. Okay, guys, I will recommend you Sublime Text Editor than Notepad because it is much more flexible. Okay, I will put the Sublime Text Editor download link inside the description box. You can go there and download this file, this software. Okay, or else you can go to Google and just type Sublime Text Editor and download the file. Okay, after that, while you have some hands-on with Sublime Text Editor, then I will teach you NetBeans. In our practical life, I mean in our companies, while doing some projects, we use NetBeans to do some project because it is much more flexible. Error correction in NetBeans is easy, much more easier than Sublime Text Editor. Okay, now I will teach you the paragraph tag, P tag. Okay, here I am writing, this is paragraph tag. Okay, there is another tag called pre-formatted tag. This is pre-formatted tag. Okay, now let me show you the difference. Suppose I am applying a space, I enter between them, and I am writing here, I am line change. Okay, and I am also doing this here, I am line change. Okay, now I am saving the file. Okay, let me put some space between them for your better understanding. Okay, now I will go to this web page and look, having a space between them, a line change between them, inside the paragraph tag it is showing in a single line. So that means in a paragraph tag there is a drawback that what we write inside the paragraph tag it is shown line by line. Okay, it is not pre-formatted, but in pre-formatted tag, if what we do here, suppose I am using some double space, this much gap, suppose I am using some enter here and saving the file, so it will be changed like this in the web browser also. Look, it has been changed like that. Fine, but in the paragraph tag it is not possible. So pre tag is much more flexible. Now I will teach you. Now you will know that what is bold tag. That is B tag. We use B. I am bold. Okay. There is a all known as italic tag for I. Okay. I am italic. There is also tag for underline tag. I am underlined. Okay, let me save this file and let's see what happens. Look, this portion is underlined, this portion is italic, this portion is bold. Okay, we'll apply some line change here. For line change we'll use the BR command, the break command. This is not a line break command. Okay, now let's see what happens. Look, the line has been changed. Okay, inside a single text content we can use multiple tags. Okay, suppose I want text that should be bold, italic, and underline. The three properties will be inside it. Okay, at first I am using bold tag, then italic tag. Okay, wait, let me do it here. Bold tag, then the italic tag, then the underline tag, and then write I am all in. Write the content inside it. Okay, now save the file and refresh it. Look, it is showing in every format. It is bold, it is italic, and it is underlined. Okay, now we have to put here the name of the file, the image file. Look, the image is containing inside the same folder where my HTML file is contained. Okay, if it is like that, then just provide the image name, it will be displayed. Suppose if it is not like that, the image is contained in another folder, then you have to mention the full path name. Okay, now I will use some height and width. Let me give 100 px height and the width of 100 px, and I will use a title house, and I will also use a alternate name, no image preview. Okay, let me save this file. Let me apply a beard tag also here. Refresh the file, refresh the page. Look, the image has been visible to us. Now when I will hover the mouse over it, look, it is saying house. That is for the title attribute. Now suppose I am giving some wrong name to it, to the SRC. Suppose I am giving an extra 1, 2, 3. Okay, now saving it. A wrong SRC I have been provided here. Now I am refreshing. Look, it is showing no image preview. This is for alternate. If your image path is wrong, that is the SRC is wrong, then this alternate will work. Otherwise, SRC will work. Now let me correct it. Look, the images are occurred again. Now we'll learn the unordered list. Okay, UL tag. UL tag has attribute type. 3 types of type. Okay. So they are disk, square, and circle. Okay. Use li command to list the name. Suppose I am writing PHP. Okay. Then C. Then C++. At first, I am using the disk type. Okay. I am erasing this. You can use only a one type at a once. Remember that. Now save the file. Now refresh it. Look, these all are disk. Now, if I apply square, look, these are square. These all are square format. Now if I apply circle, look, these all are in circle format. Okay. These are for unordered list. Now I will tell you about ordered list. This is the UL tag. Here there is attribute known as start. Let me keep it 1 at first. Then the li tag again, list tag, PHP, C, then C++. Okay. Now save the file and see what happened. Look, these are in 1, 2, 3. C, C++, PHP all are in 1, 2, 3 format. Now I am starting it with 5. Now see what happens. Look, it will start from 5, 6, 7 like this. It will increment. Okay. Now there is a tag known as anchor tag. A href. Here we provide the link, the target page address. Suppose I am giving here a.html. Okay, still I didn't created any a.html page, but I am giving it. Okay. Now height. Oh, sorry, there is no height. There is another attribute known as target. Target is of 2 types: self, and another one is underscore difference, diff. I will tell you the difference between underscore self and difference. Let me type here, click here and close the anchor tag. At first, let me use self tag. Now look, when I will click on this, click here. Okay, this is the anchor tag. The a.html page will open on this tab. Okay, look, the .html page has opened on this tab. Okay, but if I will use the different diff target, different target, then look what happens. It will open in a new tab, play.html. Here is a new tab, play.html, but this page is opened also. This page still opens, and the targeted page will open in a different tab. Fine. Now we will learn about marquee tag. Okay. Where is of two type, alternate and scroll. I will show you both how they work. Then there is a direction. Direction is of four type, up, down, left and right. Turn right. Then there is another attribute known as scroll at delay. I will recommend you choose the scroll delay according to your requirement. Right now I will keep it to 5 milliseconds. Inside this I will write this is marquee tag, and I will close this tab. Now I am saving this file, but before that I have some limitations that I can choose only one behavior at a time and one direction at a time. Let me choose right. Okay, now I am saving this file, and let's see what happens in the browser. Look, this tag is called marquee tag, and this is going like this, and just follow what happens here. Look, after touching this end, it is coming back. Okay, after touching this end, it is coming back, but in the scroll part, I mean in the behavior, when I will use scroll, just see what happens. Okay, for scroll it will behave like a little bit different way. Let's see what it is. Look, I have refreshed the page. It is coming, and when it will touch this, it will go from here there, and it will again start from here. It is not coming back. This is the major difference. Okay, fine, that's it guys for this video. Please do subscribe to our channel, and in the next video we will learn about how to create table. Okay, bye guys.